Congratulations on making it this far. It takes great courage to ignore the naysayers and critics of the cryptocurrency industry. However, I assure you that once you start educating yourself, setting up your wallets, starting to trade cryptocurrencies, and ultimately building a diversified cryptocurrency portfolio, you'll look back at the old financial system and wonder why you took so long to get involved. Before we go any further, at any point in this webinar that you'd like to book a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experts, please use the book a call function at the bottom of this video. Our experts can run you through our educational platform, our trading service platform. They can even help you set up your cryptocurrency wallets and start getting you invested in the cryptocurrency industry today. First, let's take a look at how successful our trading strategy has been over the past 5 years. We've been able to return over 700% return on investment. And if you look at the screen right now, we've taken screenshots directly from our trading platform to show you these results. The image on the top left of the screen shows positions that we entered back in 2019 and sold out for profit in 2021. These trades yielded us between 1,500 and 3,500% return on investment, which means if you invested $1,000 in these trades, you could have made anywhere between $15,000 to $35,000 just on that single trade. That's just a couple of examples of our trades, but if you look at the image on the right, you'll also see a range of other trades that we've held for a shorter period of time and have still resulted between 10 to 600% return on investment. The image at the bottom left-hand side of the screen shows what our lifetime results have been. Overall, we've secured 1,854 units, and that doesn't even include trades that are in profit right now but haven't been closed off yet. If you invest $1,000 per trade on the trades that we have closed off, that means you would be up over $1.8 million. We're going to go through real client reviews for clients that have followed our system on an investment size between $100 to $1,000 per trade. These clients have profited between $184,000 to $1.8 million since being with us. If this alone is enough evidence for you, then feel free to book a free 30-minute consultation using the book a call function just below where this video is right now. In this call, our experts are going to be able to run you through everything that you need to know before investing into the cryptocurrency market and taking advantage of the analysis and trades that we're putting out to all the clients that we already have right now. All right, so what else are we going to be going through in this short webinar? Please promise me that you're going to stick around for this whole webinar because some of the information I'm going to show you is life-changing and I'm going to be giving it to you for free. First of all, I'm going to be showing you why the cryptocurrency market has bottomed out in detail and why we believe this is a perfect opportunity for you to get involved. Second, I'm going to show you exactly how we've educated thousands of students who have since gone on and implemented the skills we've taught them to build over $100,000 cryptocurrency portfolios. Third, I'm going to show you real-life client reviews from clients who have used the skills that we've taught them to set up these $100,000 portfolios. And finally, we're going to be offering you the biggest discount that we've ever offered on our trading course and our trading academy, where you can gain access to all of our analysis and trades. All right, so let's look at why the cryptocurrency market has bottomed out and why this is the perfect opportunity for you to get involved. Bitcoin follows a 4-year price cycle. The reason for this actually relates to the way that Bitcoin was designed. Bitcoin was built to solve some serious downfalls that the traditional financial system was facing, and in particular, the government's ability to just print more money and cause inflation. Bitcoin was designed to be deflationary currency, which was decentralized and provided investors with a storage of value over time. That last point, storage of value, comes from there only ever being 21 million Bitcoin. However, those 21 million Bitcoin are not available right now. They are slowly being released through mining, and every 4 years, the rate at which new Bitcoin enters the ecosystem is halved. That's why Bitcoin follows a 4-year price cycle. When the rate of new Bitcoin is being mined or injected into the economy halves, we see Bitcoin's price rally exponentially. In the chart and the table below, you can see since the inception of Bitcoin, it has had 3 years of positive price action followed by 1 year of negative price action. It then returns to 3 years of positive price action again. Last year, we just had the biggest year of negative price action, which should mean we have a positive price action for the next 3 years if this trend continues. If that didn't make sense, then the main thing that you need to understand is there's only ever going to be 21 million Bitcoin. Right now, there's around 19 million Bitcoin in circulation. The remaining 2 million Bitcoin are still being mined and injected into that circulation. And the rate at which those 2 million Bitcoin are going into circulation is halving every 4 years. Because of this, it's going to take around another 100 years for that remaining 2 million Bitcoin to go into the full circulation. And at that point, there will be 21 million Bitcoin in circulation. That's why Bitcoin follows a 4-year price cycle. And that's why we see 3 years of positive price action followed by 1 year of negative price action and then a parabolic run again. All right, now that you understand a little bit more about how Bitcoin was designed and how there's only ever going to be 21 million Bitcoin, let's start having a little bit more of a closer look at how the Bitcoin halving events have affected Bitcoin's price. On the screen right now, you can see a diagram which represents the effect that Bitcoin halving events have on Bitcoin's price. The blue horizontal lines demonstrate the first, second, third, and the future halving, which is coming up in April 2024. You can see also between each one of these events that Bitcoin clearly reaches a very high all-time high price. It then drops substantially, and then leading into the next halving event, Bitcoin's price rallies. In this diagram, you can see 50% drops from all-time high prices in between each Bitcoin halving event have been clearly labeled by the white text. This is important because leading into the next all-time high, we expect Bitcoin to take off from the previous 50% drop. That would be at around $37,000 per Bitcoin. And then at a 24th of April, that's when the Bitcoin halving event will happen. And that's where we expect Bitcoin's price to rally. So this gives you a little bit of time to start getting educated, to start getting your portfolio set up, and to start dollar cost average buying into cryptocurrencies now before we have this next parabolic rally. The most recent Bitcoin halving event that we had Bitcoin priced at $9,000. We then saw an all-time high of $69,000 per Bitcoin. That's a 600% price increase from the moment the Bitcoin halving event happened to the all-time high of that cycle. We could expect something like this to happen in the next cycle, and that's why we're starting to buy up our cryptocurrency now and taking advantage of this golden opportunity. All right, so on to that third and final point. Are we closer to the bottom of the cryptocurrency market or the top? If your answer is the bottom, then wouldn't that suggest that right now is a great time to be buying cryptocurrency as opposed to selling it or not owning any at all? I'm actually going to go through a range of statistics to prove to you that right now we are much closer to the bottom of the cryptocurrency market. So let's go check it out. The chart on the screen right now shows the Bitcoin price action that was achieved over a 4-year period between the bear and the bull market. You can see there was an 8,500% increase in price in the third most recent bull market. In the second most recent bull market, we saw an 1,800% price increase. In the most recent bull market, we saw a 600% price increase. We're now leading into the fourth bull market. On the screen, you can also see that we're outlining the prediction of a bottom of a market using an indicator called the RSI. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index, and it is measured between 0 and 100. Usually a reading at 100 or above would indicate we're at the top of the market, and anything below around the 50 mark or the RSI midline, which you can see on the bottom of the screen, that would indicate a bear market. As you can see, the RSI back in 2014 reached 44.68, and that was clearly outlining the bottom of the market. In 2018, it reached 43.78, and again, that clearly outlined we were at the bottom of the market. In 2021, it reached 40.65, and that predicted what we believe is the bottom of the market. And we are now leading into the Bitcoin halving event, which should push us into that parabolic run again. If this is not enough evidence for you to show that we are most likely at the bottom of the cryptocurrency market, then I don't know what else I can show you. Now is the perfect opportunity for you to start getting exposure to cryptocurrencies, holding them for this next parabolic run, and setting up your portfolio for success. All right, so right now we're on the public side of our Imperial Wealth website. You're in the crypto section. You can go under the crypto section here and see all the services that we have available, including our mining services, our trading academy, NFT Premier service, and our educational courses. If you want to get access to the app side of things, where our members get all of our software, all of our trading services, all of our educational content, you can go to the bottom of this page and sign up to the app here. Alternatively, at the top here, you can just click register. Once you've signed up, you can come across to this point here and click the app button, which is going to take you to the members area of our services. On the left-hand side, you can see all of the services and products that we have available. You've got education, terminology guides, coin library, you've got the trades, your analysis, your market updates, you've got an NFT calendar, and if you own miners with us, you can even manage all of your miners here. We're going to go through each one of these tabs and show you what it looks like to be a member with us. When you have access to the courses, you can start your course here. So you can go into the crypto trading course and start that one right there. The format looks like this, and you'll basically get an understanding of the cryptocurrency industry. All the modules are in here, as well as you'll start to learn how to chart and even how to do fundamental analysis, such as looking into the tokenomics, white papers, project analysis, global economics, everything and above. If you click the button over on the left under the Trading Academy and click the Trades button, it's going to open up all of the trades that we've ever invested into. For the sake of this demonstrational video, I'm only going to be showing closed off trades, as it's not fair to paying members to show you positions that we're currently in right now. So in this section, I've filtered only to show closed trades. And as you can see, you can get an understanding of what it feels like to be a member. Anytime a trade is posted, for example, this one was posted on the 28th of September 2022, we put it out to our members. You can see what price we entered in at, what price we exited at, and what gains we have made from that trade. Going on to token analysis, you can also see for every coin that we've ever invested into, a strong detailed level of analysis showing exactly why we bought into the coin, as well as ongoing analysis as to what we're doing, as to what that coin's up to. For example, Bitcoin, all of the trades will be posted in here, and you can also see updates for just general technical and fundamental analysis of what's going on with Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the 20th of January 2023 update. That's the most recent one when this video is being filmed. And you can see our analyst, Mitch, head analyst, is sending out information as to what Bitcoin's doing at the moment. You get charts, you get written descriptions, it's very detailed. And we do this for every single one of the coins that we're invested into. So just another example, if we're looking at, say, Binance coin, it's the exact same thing. You're getting frequent updates as to what's going on with Binance, any fundamental news and any technical news. And of course, if we then sell Binance coin, you get a trade notification in your trade section and you can follow that trade, okay? We also do market updates. So if we come to this market update section over here, this is just general what's going on with Bitcoin, Ethereum, even globally what's going on out in the markets. We do market updates as well very frequently. And again, they come in that same format where you're getting a fundamental and a technical update as to what's going on in the global economy, what's going on with Bitcoin, what's going on with Ethereum, get some charts, everything like that. As you can see, it's absolutely stacked with value. We understand that you can't do this yourself. You don't have the time, whilst you're doing a full-time job, to be looking at what's going on at the markets, analyzing the charts, and trying to make trading decisions. We've brought it there for you in an easy-to-read format. I hope that this gives you enough insight as to the value that we can provide you, and I strongly recommend that you book a call with one of our experts if this is something that you want to get involved with. All right, guys, if you've hung around this long, then you're clearly interested in setting up a cryptocurrency portfolio. I've given you absolutely everything that you need to understand before getting involved with us, and I hope by now you can see that we seriously care about our clients and we seriously care about making sure that you're getting the education that you need, the right level of service that you need to really tackle the cryptocurrency market and be successful. I'm going to offer you a one-time offer. There's only going to be 50 seats available for anyone that's watching this webinar. Once those 50 seats are filled up, there's not going to be any more places. You can book a call below and get on a call with one of our experts. They're going to run through everything else that you need to understand before getting set up. However, I hope from watching this webinar, you've already got everything that you need and you're ready to go. I can't wait to help you tackle the cryptocurrency market, and I can't wait to hear your client success story next. Thanks, guys.